In this video, I will show how to commission HVAC cooling unit SNMP. Here I use the Inrow cooling as an example. Other type units have the same operation. First, we open the rear door. Pull out the electronic control box. And find the network port on the controller. The interface type is RJ45. Use a network cable to connect the controller and the computer directly. It is also acceptable to have both the computer and the controller connected to the switch. The default IP address of the cooling unit controller is 192.168.1.137. Open Network and Internet settings in computer. Get into Change Adapter options. Check network status that connected to cooling unit controller. Make sure that the IP address setting of the computer is also in the 192.168.1 local area network. If not, please set it. Open the browser. Enter the IP address of the cooling unit controller to enter the web page interface. If you have changed your IP address, enter your changed IP address. You can refer to the previous video on how to change your IP address. If the parameters displayed on the web page are normal, it means that the connection between the computer and the cooling unit is normal. Check whether the SNMP function is activated. Go to Factory menu. Password is 1243. Then go to Upgrade menu. Here we see that SNMP is activated. It can also be viewed in the PGD virtual interface. It has been activated. Then right-click this PC, enter the Manage menu. Find Services and Applications, select Services. And find the SNMP service. If not, please Google how to activate it. The software we used today is iReasoning's MIB browser tool. You can download it from the iReasoning website. I also put the download link in the video introduction. Enter the Tools menu and Options menu. Here change agent's character encoding to UTF-8. Add an agent according to the IP address of the cooling unit under the Agents menu. The address is the IP address, port is 161. Fill in Public for Read Community. Fill in CRAC for Write Community, and select 2 for SNMP version. Select Load MIBs in the File menu and select the cooling unit MIB file provided by the manufacturer to import. We find the information point, randomly select one. And get it. We see SUPI temperature 15 degrees, return temperature 15 degrees, humidity 32%. Compare the display screen of the cooling unit itself to see that the data can be matched. Of course, we can also click Walk to list all parameters starting from the first data. All parameters can be compared with the display screen of the air conditioner. That is how to commission HVAC cooling unit SNMP.